Which transformation results in a figure that is similar to the original figure but has a greater area? All right, and we're dealing with dilations. So remember, with area, to figure out how many times bigger our new area is going to be, we take our scale factor and we square it because our units in area is units squared. So we could take each of these scale factors, we could square them, and that's going to tell us how many times bigger the new area is going to be. So, and some of you guys might like just see some obvious things to cross out, but if we do 0.25 squared, we get 0.0625. So the area is definitely going to be smaller. It's going to be that much smaller. Same thing with 0.5. If we do 0.5 squared, we're going to get 0.25. So the new area is going to be a quarter of its original size. So that's getting smaller. If we do 1 squared, it's 1. So the new area would be 1 times bigger. And if you multiply anything by 1, it stays the same. And then on the last one, if we do 2 squared, we get 4. This means that the area is 4 times bigger. So that is the one that's going to be our answer. Because the question says we want a greater area.